Hey guys, so today I'm so excited because I got my AZA auto wheel and it was very well packaged, so we're gonna install it today. And we're gonna keep this here because that way it doesn't get scratched. First we're gonna disconnect the battery. Because if you don't, that airbag will blow up on your face. Si no desconectas la batería, te explota la bolsa de aire en la cara. So, for safety, no me digas que es caca de gato en mi supercargador. ¡Mira! Dime que no es. ¿Qué es eso? Ew. No mames. Oh, hell no. Sí es, ¿verdad? Te puedes reír, Ale. So my little sister is recording. Pobre troca.
Toda cagada.
Toda cagada. Okay, so desconecté la batería. Vente de este lado. Okay. So, this is the old steering wheel. Voy a tomar una foto. Va a ser un before y after. Okay, so I got a 3mm Allen wrench. So we're going to, there's two little holes on each side, so we're gonna first press this one, and you saw that it just like pops out, and then we're gonna do the other side, if I can see. It has these little ways. And then the airbag comes out like this. So now we're gonna disconnect these wires. Estoy teniendo dificultades técnicas.
Terminó el video, no supimos cómo quitarlo.
You're gonna squeeze them. And just they're just a little bit stiff right now. Ahorita sale. There you go. So it's off the airbag. And so now we're gonna remove this nut right here, and I think it's a 21. We're gonna take this out. Vamos a agarrar un socket. Wait a minute. Yep, this is it says. So estos cables, this red cables es el horn. Y este es lo más. Vamos a bajarlos. Necesito uno más largo. Nomás se lo voy a aflojar. I'm just gonna loosen it up so I could take it off. Oh, this is really hard. Adoro el volante. So, le quité el horn. But I'm leaving it loose like this a little bit because when I pull it out, I don't want it to pop in my face. Más que está. Está bien duro. Ahí está. I'm like. Me miraba chistosa.
Me imaginé que salía la bolsa de aire y ¡pum!
Ahora ya sí lo sacamos bien. Ahí está. Out with the old. And then, oh my god, this looks so funny. Look, no steering wheel. Okay. So, and this black went very well with the stock airbag color. It looks so beautiful. But here goes these here. The airbag wires go through here. New steering wheel. Ah, I'm excited. Oh, let's uncover this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. So this has to be straight. So just, make sure you don't install it like this. So there it goes. So now we're gonna go remove the horn. Let's go remove these horns. Thingy-majiggies. And then we can leave that there for now. Okay. It looks so pretty, huh? Necesita luz. Mira. This is what we needed. Now what? Yes? Alright. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to drive my truck. Okay, alright. Let's go install the horn. Beautiful! Okay, right here we're gonna take this out. And just by looking at it, I think it's a little bit lower. It's a 4. Yep. It's really hard. I think I have a gun here. Oh. Yeah. get my Mac tools here. So this one, it's a 4. Yeah. So we're gonna use my snap-on so to speed up the process. There. Oops. Too much torque. So primero I'm gonna loosen up. There you go. Okay. So this is the horn. Oops, that one is still stuck. Okay. So here's the horn. So we're gonna take this and install it in the new steering wheel. Let's go install this. So let's take this out. Then we're gonna install this the same way that it was in the other steering wheel. The airbag wires underneath. Like this. And then we're gonna stick the horn. El pito. And you have to kind of play around with this. Like, yep, like that. And then the nut. ¿Sí puedes mirar bien, Ale? Okay. Like that. And then this sometimes. That one's good. Okay. So now we're gonna get the airbag. And you notice this is pink and white. So make sure that when you install the airbag wires back, pink goes with pink and the white goes with the white. Okay, so. ¿Se pueden mirar, Ale? Okay. They have their little special ways to go in here. No, ahí está. Oh. They're connected. So siento que it's missing something. Le falta aquí una parte. Look. Deja ver el otro steering wheel. Oh, se quita. Okay, so this comes off. So I have my tools right here, and I just have to, you see this? It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. It's a T20. So that's my fault. Tenía que quitar esto primero también. So it is my first time installing a steering wheel, so it was bound to happen. So let's go take this out. Dije, algo está. Ay, no me digas que me llevé la flashlight. Ale, ¿me traes la lámpara? Just... Que muy chingona. Ay, ya voy. Ahora tengo que quitárselo para atrás todo. So we're gonna take these out. Unbelievable. Here it is, the missing piece. Oh my gosh. Goodness. Okay, so we're gonna do this kind of all over again. So we're redoing this because my smart ass forgot to put the most important part, the cover. So you install the cover first, and then just make sure that's in there nice and okay. Que quede bien bonito aquí así. I'm still sick from Vegas, SEMA. Can you believe that? Bien apretadito. Okay. Just make sure. All right. Now we tuck in the airbag wires. Make sure it's straight. So there's a little arrow here. You see this arrow? It has to just make sure it lines up with this groove here on the nut. Okay? And then this is the horn. We're gonna install the horn back in. You just push it. Make sure it's tucked in there. It has a little ways here. No se me olvidó nada. Okay, so ta-da! We're done! My new steering wheel from AZA outer wheel. I love it. I can't wait to drive this thing very soon. So here, I'll give you a little glimpse of it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it just adds so much more luxury to the truck. And it feels amazing. It feels like a brand new truck, and I haven't even driven it. So pretty. And then the buttons, I didn't install them. I didn't connect them. But I just have them there for now so I don't see holes. But once I get the wiring, that's pretty easy to do. That's a big piece of cake. And that's it. Make sure I honk. And we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. So stay tuned. You see me use the steering wheel like there's no tomorrow.